Hi, good day, and welcome back once again to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. And today we are going to make fried rice. Fried rice is loved here in the Caribbean and especially in Trinidad and Tobago. So today for our fried rice, we are going to be using pimento, garlic, shadow beni, sweet pepper, ginger, carrots, celery, onions, corn and green salad beans, chive, and of course rice. So our oils for the day are sesame oil, peanut oil, and we are going to be using some ginger soy sauce and some rice cooking wine. Now let's get into this. Right. So our pot is already heated and we're going to add to this some peanut oil and mostly sesame oil. Because our pot is already hot, we can add immediately our garlic, and sorry for the steam in the camera guys, our onion, the carrots, our sweet pepper, and our pimento. So we're gonna start off with those ingredients first, and we are going to let them soften. Not too much because it's fried rice and you don't want the vegetables to be limp. You want them to look fresh and radiant and firm. So I'm just gonna stir that up. And my vegetables is a bit much, so I'm gonna add some more sesame oil to this. I'm now going to add my ginger to this. And I finally diced the ginger so you don't have those big lumps of ginger when you're chewing the rice. So now I've added my rice wine. And that is going to evaporate as it cooks. But it's going to add a lot of flavor. And you know we love flavor here in the Caribbean. It's all about flavor. So that's going to put a good punch of flavor into this pot. So now to this I'm going to add my corn and my salad bean. And blend it, combine that into the other ingredients that's already in the pot. And now everybody have their way of making fried rice. This is just my way and it's pretty good. You're going to enjoy this. So that's well combined. And now I'm going to add my aromatics. I have here some chive, celery, and some shadow beni. So I'm going to mix that in. And that's well combined. As you can see, it's well combined. So to this I'm going to add some Chinese seasoning. And now my rice is ready to enter this pot. So now we're going to add the rice and we're going to add this gradually in the pot and stir so that all these seasonings can be combined. And look how pretty that is. Such a beautiful mix of colors. And that's what fried rice is all about. A beautiful mix of colors, and it's tasty. Come now, man. So I'm going to put some more rice in there. And the measurement and ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box below. So check it out. I'm going to add some more rice to this because my family is big. So I'm going to add some more rice. So this is me adding my rest of rice. And now some people will leave this as is, but it's not complete without that soy sauce in there to give it that color that fried rice is known for. So I'm going to add my rest of rice, and then I'm going to come back showing you when I'm adding my soy sauce. So this is me here adding my soy sauce so that I can have control as to how dark I want my fried rice. And keep in mind, when making fried rice, you want your rice grains firm. You don't want it to be soft and mushy, because then the fried rice is going to be soft and mushy. You want to boil your rice, and the best results is putting it in the refrigerator overnight or for a couple hours in the deep freeze if you're working on time. And then take it out. Those rice grains are going to separate, and you're going to have beautifully made fried rice. So I'm going to add some more soy sauce to get mine a bit darker. So I'm adding as I go along. You don't want to add too much and then in the beginning, and then when you're coming down to the end you realize, oh my, it's too dark. So what I do is I add gradually as I go along. And my fried rice is almost to the color that I like it. So I'm going to add a little bit more there. And bear in mind, you don't want to put salt in your rice also when boiling, because the soy sauce already have salt in it. So if after using the soy sauce you think that the fried rice needs some more salt, you could sprinkle some into the fried rice. A little bit more, and that's it there. This is the color that I love. So it's dark, not too dark. You can see all those colors popping through still, and that's what you want. You want it to be colorful but yet still live up to its originality. Fried rice. You know the drill. So I'm gonna have this plated up, and we're gonna be back ready to eat. So I am back, and as you can see, it's plated. So let's have a taste. Yes guys, all those Chinese flavors are bursting through this meal. It's tasty. This rice is delicious. Thank you again for all your support, everyone. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can see next time I'm uploading. So have a blast. Enjoy this recipe. See you soon.